A musician should always perfect their playing straight skills. If you can perfect your playing straight game, meaning that when you just playing a song straight and people can tell, yo, this person, if they let this person go, they about to wreck this place. You sound real good just playing straight because you got flavor, placement, and you sound just refined. And it's obvious. It ain't always about playing all this crazy stuff to make people say, ooh. Sometimes people that know music gonna go, ooh, when they hear you playing straight. That's like a singer that can just sing straight and people say they sound amazing just from their tone. No ad-libs. You know? I think a lot of musicians need to start working on their playing straight game. If you could sound good playing straight, you ready for this game called music. If you only rely on tricks to get you attention, maybe this ain't for you.